Welcome back to the show. Now, if you just joined us, we are doing a Healthy Homes Australia first. We're installing an entire swimming pool from first dig to first swim. And it's really a chance for us to show you what pools are out there on the market, how to filter, how to heat and cool, how to landscape around them. And at this stage of the build, well, the water is sort of starting to clear a little bit. We've had the filters running, but there's muddy plops of dirt falling in there from landscaping, tradies' boots, plops of cement. So it is time now, I think, to start thinking about how we're going to get this water crystal clear and maintain that clarity and make it perfect for swimming in. I've always hated chlorine and public swimming pools. You know, my skin itches, it smells, and my eyes have been red for days. Being a child and having swimming lessons was a nightmare. So what are my options with this pool here? And what are your options when it comes to choosing a new pool system? Do you go chlorine? Do you go salts? Will it be a smart pool? Will I be a slave to forever adding chemicals and getting water tested and pushing buttons? It's a big world and there are lots of new innovations. So to find out exactly what has developed in this world, there's an expert waiting for me who knows literally everything. Andy.
Well,
good to meet you, mate.
Good to meet you. I'm good, mate.
Andy is an expert in all things swimming pools, chemicals, minerals. He designs this system. It's great to have you on the show. Where are we at in kind of today's modern world? Are we still chlorinating, or are we mineraling, or what chemical profiles and filtration systems are around?
Well, you've chosen minerals. We led the whole world with moving away from liquid chlorine, going into saltwater chlorination. And now the new thing, but has been evolving for the last 10 years, is minerals,
yeah.
And now that's washing through the whole planet as well.
So what do we mean by minerals? Like, what are we talking about?
So minerals is basically magnesium chloride. It's all about the magnesium. You can't run straight magnesium pools, so you've got to put a flavour of magnesium in there. And I noticed with your pool, you've actually used the Theralux system, and what we've done there is that they've got a low level of salt, so we still have salt in the pool,
yeah.
But we keep the salt level itself is below our taste threshold, so we can't even taste it. And 85% of the population are magnesium deficient.
Really? That's interesting.
So you jump in a magnesium pool and your body recognises that there's magnesium in there and it will draw the magnesium transdermal absorption.
So you're actually absorbing the minerals into your body. Now, when I decided I was going to get a pool, there's one thing I was told to get, which I've never even heard of, was get the quantum, all this Theralux stuff. I mean, what is it and why is it amazing? It's supposed to be the world's best sanitizer. How does it work? What is it?
It's pretty clever. So what it does, it's got a UV tube in it, ultraviolet tube in it, and UV's been used in pools for years. What happens is the UV shines on a titanium dioxide layer within the quantum, and when the UV light hits that, it creates hydroxyl-free radicals, which are the strongest oxidizer known to man.
Okay.
And it basically reduces everything in there down to it destroys all the cells. So anything organic that goes through there just gets destroyed. We were talking about high levels of chlorine and that being an issue with eczema sufferers and actually aggravating skin. The double whammy with working with magnesium in the pool, lowering the chlorine level down to 1 part per million, which the quantum can give you, the magnesium will actually hydrate your skin. Where those high levels of chlorine in the past would actually take moisture out and actually aggravate it, what it's doing, we've got low chlorine levels and we've now got magnesium hydroxide in the water, which has been created from the cell, and that's actually one of the best mediums for transdermal absorption. It is a bit fancy. So as that's pulling that magnesium into your skin, it's also hydrating the skin.
So once you've done your initial setup and the pool's been balanced, it kind of does everything for you then, really. The pool will talk to you via this awesome app they have, and you can monitor all the systems really all online. For me, it is about creating this crystal clear water, a pool that is more energy efficient and just feels beautiful to swim in. Like, the silky smoothness of that water is so beautiful. Theralux is definitely the way to go, and in particular the quantum. That'll help you achieve all of that glistening, sparkly diamond water. You can find out prices and also costs on retrofitting it to your existing pool, all on their website. Just head over to theralux.com.au.